Hey guys, this is Alina, and today's message is to take it slow, go slow. Just really take it really slow, and just notice what's here. No need to go fast, no need to perform. All we have to do is just allow ourselves to breathe and take it slow. See, right now, I'm just walking so gently, slow, and just taking this moment in and taking the trees in, the sunlight, everything. Just allowing myself to be nothing but this moment. So that's my message. Take it slow, take it easy, and know you are here right now. You are doing your best, and I send you all my love. Bye now.